Okay, and welcome to Solving with Logarithms for our medium section. Now we're going to go through 3 examples, and let's take a look at example number 1. You'll notice that this is in logarithm form, and we already know the base of 3. So let's go ahead and rewrite this. We have a logarithm of base 3 of x is equal to 5. So what's our trick? How do we get rid of a base 3? Well, we know that it's kind of in the name almost. We're going to base 3 both sides, and notice you will always match whatever this base is with a big base here. Now this cancel, and we're left over with x equals 3 to the power of 5. Now this is something that you might have to use your calculator on, and so let's see. So it's going to be 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which will give us 243. Okay, let's move on to our second example. Here we have, and let me go ahead and switch colors. Here we have 5 to the power of x is equal to 625. Now notice, anytime you have your variable in the exponent, we want to get rid of that by simply taking the log of both sides. And when you do that, always draw an arrow to in front of your logarithm. And we're going to rewrite this, whatever's in the exponent comes down, to x log of 5 is equal to the log of 625. Now, in order to get the x by itself, we know we divide both sides by the log of 5, And what does this really look like? Well, it looks like log with, and remember, whatever number is in the denominator of the logarithm, that will become our base, so log base 5 of 625, which, if you type this in your calculator, you will find out that x is equal to 4. Now, let me go ahead and switch to an entirely different color, and let's go ahead and look at our third example. Here we have a log base x of 25 is equal to 2. And look, a lot of people look at this and think that it's very confusing, but it's really not. All we're saying is, hey, instead of having a number, our base is x, and so we still just base x to both sides. Whatever number we see here, we do the base of that to both sides. So those cancel, and we're left with 25 equals x squared. And this is simply basic algebra. Whatever we have up in the exponent, we simply take the root of that. So if this is x squared, we take the square root. And if I take the square root of the right, I'll take the square root of the left. And we know that the square root of 25 is in fact 5. I hope that these 3 examples helped, and I'll see you guys at your next station.